so many taxis and none will stop for me. Kim, stop counting your money. I'm sorry, it's just that my wallet's so full. I'm just gonna chill down here in the right-hand corner, guys. Kim, stop counting your money. We're gonna get mugged. Shut up, Chloe. Oh my God! Stop counting your money, Kim.
I can't help it, guys. We're just.
Meanwhile, with the Jolies, what a great day in the park today, isn't it, Janice? It is, Hubert. Our kids are happy to be here. I'm happy to be here. Let's hail a cab. Where should we go today? I don't know. Philip? Who's Philip? I don't know. All right, let's get in this cab. You in there, you in there. Okay, yep. Scoot over. Yep. Let's do a count off. Junior, here. Yep. Just us as a family. Happy to be together with our biracial family. Having a good time. Oh no! Just because it's a short ride doesn't mean it's a safe ride. Remember to buckle your seatbelt in taxis. And Kim, stop counting your money.